all, welcome back to Pabbly. So I'm running Facebook lead ads for my own Facebook page, which is Natural Glow Skincare. And now what I want is that, let's say someone sees my ad on Facebook, they're interested and they fill in the lead form. So as you can see that I've already filled in this lead form with the first name, last name, email, phone and the type of the skin. Now let's click on this continue and then submit. So once my leads submit this form, I'm going to open my Pipedrive and you're going to see automatically the lead details will be added in this Pipedrive. And you're going to see within seconds and in real time the lead details have been added. This is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. So grab your laptops and follow me step by step to create this for your own business. So now we have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how we can create this. So to create this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and over here if you are an existing user like me, you can directly open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads. So let's search for Facebook lead ads and select it. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Once we click on this connect with Facebook lead ads, Pabbly is asking me to choose my account and click on this continue. So I have already logged in my Facebook account. That's the reason that it is asking me to choose the account. But if you haven't logged in a Facebook account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you're going to get the option to click on this continue. So log in your applications prior starting to this automation and click on this continue. Now we have connected our Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. We have to select the page name and the lead gen form. So for the page, I'm going to select the page which is my page Natural Glow Skincare. So let's select the same page over here. Now after selecting the page, for the form, I'm going to select the form for which I want to create this automation. If you wish to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. Then on this simple response button, because we want to capture this response in simpler format, and click on this save and send test request. Now when we click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response. For that, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers and open the landing page of Meta for Developers. After opening the landing page, go on this resources, developer tools, and then scroll and open this lead ads RTO debug tool. When you open this, it is going to open your lead ads testing tool. So select the page and the form which you selected in your workflow. So for the page, I'm going to select Natural Glow Skincare, and for the form, I'm going to select the same form. And now for the product, I'm going to select it as lead retrieval, and now we're going to click on this preview form. And now let's fill in this form. So I'm going to simply enter all of my details. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as smart, last name as lead. For the email, I'm going to keep it as lead@pabblytudes.com. Now let's move on further. For the phone number, I'm going to keep the phone number as this. Now let's click on this continue and then submit, and as you can see, they've successfully submitted this form. So now let's open my workflow, and now Pabbly is going to capture the response exactly the same of the same lead which we submitted right now, which was our test lead. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response for the same. And now I'm going to add the lead details into my Pipedrive. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, let's search for Pipedrive and select it. For the event, we have to select create a person and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API token. To get this API token, open your Pipedrive account, go to its the profile picture and then personal preferences, then API. Once you come on this API, over here's your personal API token. So copy this token and paste it right over here and click on this save. Now your Pipedrive account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now one by one, you have to enter the details in order to create a new contact in Pipedrive. So first, I'm just going to show you my contacts right over here. As you can see right now, I have this sample contacts. Alright, so let's create a new contact in Pipedrive, but we are not going to enter the details manually. Pabbly by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that one by one I'm going to map the details which are required or the details which I wish to fill in. If you wish, you can definitely enter all of these details, but if you wish, you can definitely enter only the required details and click on this save and send test request. And again, to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a person in Pipedrive. So let's open up Pipedrive and you're going to see that we have successfully created a new person. You're going to see over here it is tagged new. You're going to see the name, the email and the phone number which we entered during the test submission. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now, like I showed in the starting of this video, that whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically a person will be created in my Pipedrive. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try out this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below so that you can check out my workflow and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.